Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're wondering what that noise is in this closet over here, there's like our air conditioner and our hot water heater and our sub pump tanks and everything, so it makes a dripping noise. You can't really hear it in my room, but I wanted to start outside of my room. And if you can't tell by the title, I'm finally doing a room tour. I have lived here May, June, July, so 3 months now. It's August 1st when I'm filming this, and it should be going up August 2nd, but I wanted to finally give you guys a tour now that I'm all settled in, and my room is actually like kind of moderately clean. But I didn't want to like have it be perfectly clean because like that's not how my room is. But anyways, let's just get started. So this is my door, the one with the little, what do you call it? It's a flower crown. The one with the flower crown on it. And then this is our bathroom. So I share a bathroom with one other girl, and then her door is behind where we're looking right now. So I just put a command hook on the door and put that up just because I thought it was cute and I didn't know what else to do with that extra command hook. So I thought that would be cute and I could change it out with different seasons and holidays and stuff, even though literally no one sees it but me. And then I have my soccer ball out here. I haven't used it in a while, but I'm hoping that tonight actually I can go and walk on the river with some friends and we can bring the soccer ball and kick it around and stuff. Either that or we're gonna do photography. But anyway, so the lights are off, but you're not gonna be able to tell because I love string lights. My laptop is on right now. I just wanted to be able to give you guys a version, like I wanted to be able to show you guys what it looks like in the dark. This camera, obviously iPhone camera, not the greatest for doing stuff in the dark. That's why we're getting all those like lines and stuff, but it's fine. So I have my art desk over here with that set of string lights. My bed has a set of string lights, and then it's a little bit harder to tell, but behind, it's easier to tell on camera. But in person, it's harder to tell, but there are lights going all behind my computer, so it kind of glows up behind there. Now I'll turn the light on, and I guess we'll start over on this side with my art desk. So here's just like an overview of it. I have this metal hanger on the wall that has 2 baskets that hold like paper and my hair dryer that I use for art and not hair. I have the core list of like all the colors and stuff. Lots of stuff taped to the walls over here. That one needs to be fixed, but that's okay. I thought that I would do like a more formal kind of like desk tour, but I kind of wanted to kind of show you guys what it was like on like a typical day, what this desk looked like. So my laptop is there and it usually stays there, but it can come with me to class. It doesn't now, partly because I have an iPad Pro and partly because I'm taking a math class and a computer science class in a computer lab, so I don't need my computer. But yeah, that's where it stays most of the time, and I'll like watch YouTube and pull up Pinterest or put on music or whatever while I'm painting or journaling or whatever I'm doing over here. So I just have some paints out and some brushes and random stuff. And I don't want to give away too much because I do want to do like a desk tour for each of my desks or like one video for both. But I have a drafting table, you can kind of tell, but it is at a tilt. And then it has drawers on either side. And then I have this cart, which is like made for the bathroom from Target, but it holds all my art stuff and it needs to be reorganized, especially on the bottom, because I kind of like, that's kind of my, oh, I can throw something here kind of row. But yeah, anyways, that is my art corner area. Just lots of stuff like taped to the walls. It's kind of like my cozy little nook of doing creative stuff. But then over here we have my closet. So if you noticed when you walked in, there's no dresser in here. It's not that big of a room, but in my old apartment I did have a dresser that I bought, but that is now our TV stand upstairs, and I've thought about repainting it, but it actually, the black kind of contrasts all the gray really, really well. Sorry, my dad just called me. We are going to the Phillies game in like 40 minutes, so I kind of gotta go. But my dresser is upstairs because this closet is full of built-ins. So I guess I'll open it. I wasn't planning on opening it, but it's fine. It's not the most organized closet on earth. But it's a closet and it has like, it's big. So you can kind of see there's like a light up there somewhere. And I have hanging stuff, hanging short stuff, hanging pants, dresses, sweatshirts, jackets, my robe, my belts, and then all of the rest of my clothes are in these cubbies, and then that basket. And then I have like makeup, deodorant, lotions, everything else. Shoes are all in here. And then my laundry basket, which needs to be done. I was gonna do it today, but we're going to the Phillies game, so I'm gonna do it when I get home. And then just on here, I have a command hook on this side, but not on this side, just because when you open the door, I wanted it to be able to like open all the way going the other way. And I think I'm going to get some mounts for my guitars to hang on this wall, so I didn't want to have something on the other side of the door. So there's my laundry basket and my guitar, just so I keep reminding myself that I want to hang them. And then we have my printer, and my Silhouette cutting machine is tucked under the bed over there. I don't really use it that much anymore, so it's over there. But this is my printer. I use it for school. Sometimes I use it to make prints for the shop, all of that good stuff. So I just have like printer paper, and then there's extra ink and like cardstock that I use to print with in that mint basket. So that's that. I guess next we'll do my bed. So it is a full-size bed that I got from Wayfair, and the mattress is from Wayfair too. I could use like a thicker mattress, but the bed I really like actually. So as you can see, it's like kind of messy. You're probably wondering why I have the pillows against the shelf and not against the actual headboard. And that's because I have my TV over here. So if I'm playing Xbox or watching a movie or something, it's kind of nice to be able to sit against the headboard, and it's the weekend, so I'm more likely to be playing video games or watching movies or having the TV on in here. So on the weekends, I like to make my bed this way. And then all along the shelf, I have lots of things. I have my iPad Pro over here, so there's another charger cord for my iPhone over there, so they both charge over there. And then I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 plants. So I used to be notorious for killing plants, and then I discovered succulents. So these are my babies. This one was like really, really short when I got it, and it's so cute, and I love how tall it's getting, and it's really exciting to watch them grow, and I really love them. So I have those. I have a letter board, and all of the letters are inside this glass vase with these fake flowers on top that are from my high school performance of Carmina Burana with my high school from freshman year. I think we did that. And then this water bottle over here. All of the water bottles in here I'll either drink out of or put into something else. So for this one, I'll either drink out of it or I will use it to water the plants. And then my sister got me this picture from her wedding for Christmas. And then I had another picture from my mom that she got us for our birthday. I think she got us that one. Our birthdays are in November, and then Christmas is in December, so they're like super close. And then I just have one of my Xbox controllers and the TV remote over here, because if I'm sitting here and like streaming or whatever, then I can just press it and turn it on. It's fine. But over here we have my bookshelf, which is made of crates that I painted a couple of years ago now. And you just kind of stack them together and it becomes a bookshelf, and you can do like whatever pattern you want. But I have lots of journals up here, a couple of Xbox games, my Instax, nail polish remover, lotion, ibuprofen, melatonin, random bedside stuff. My baby Nikon, I call it my baby Nikon because my little Nikon. It's the smaller one of the two. So I keep that there so it's easy and quick to grab. It has an SD card, it has a charged battery all the time, so I can just grab it and go. I have a little jewelry bin, and then there are six things of washi tape in cutters. So that's there. And then I have this organizer in this one that has nail stuff, guitar stuff, random papers, lots of stuff. So that's kind of like a random, I can put these in these compartments. It's gone and I don't have to think about it anymore, kind of thing. Down here I have more books and less journals, kind of. So there are some sketchbooks, there are some like coloring books, some learning how to draw books, and then like actual books, and then like a couple of journals in there. And then below that one, we have my tin for my Arteza colored pencils that aren't in there, so I should get rid of the tin, but I haven't done a review video on them yet, so I haven't gotten rid of the tin. That's my copy of it. It's not my copy, it's my friend's copy, but he hasn't taken it back with him, so it's mine now. And then I'm looking at them, not through the camera, and my fingers are pointing at the wrong things. But my two Bibles, which is a whole thing that I will get into eventually on this channel once I figure out what I'm doing with it, but it's a whole fiasco. And then over in this last one, we have my pink binder that has changed jobs ever since I got it, so I don't even know what's in there right now. That is my textbook for computer science class that I'm taking right now, and then this is kind of like bills and papers that are important and I can't get rid of, but I don't really want to think about. And then I guess last kind of is my desk. So my, I don't know if I would call this my main desk. This is like my computer desk, and that is like my art desk. So this is my computer desk with my big iMac and second monitor. Fun fact, we dropped that monitor 4 times when I was moving into this house from my old apartment, and yeah, it still works. There's like a scratch on it somewhere, but I honestly can't figure out where it is, so it's fine. I actually, now that we're going to the Phillies game, I'm gonna take my watch off and put it on the charger so I can get it a little juiced up. But basically, let's go from right to left. So over here we have my journal, so it's my bullet journal and my Bibling journal. This is all of the stock for my shop right now, just because I don't have another place to put it, and it's just there. These are the pens that I use most in my Bibling journal and my bullet journal, so they're over here so that I can sit at this desk in the morning and just get out of the way and everything. Xbox controller, charger, so that's my other controller. There's the Xbox. It's all the wires underneath are all insane, so that's the whole thing. My diffuser is cranking right now. It has lemon scent in it. I like setting that one to lemon, like not right when I get up, but like maybe like an hour before I leave, and it goes on for 30 seconds and then off for 30 seconds, so when I come home from school it smells so nice and clean in here. And then these are just like papers that are important things that I need to pay attention to, so that's kind of like a spot for them on my desk so that I remember, hey, I need to scan that, hey, I need to go and do this kind of thing. Just some index cards, sticky notes, lots of nail polish. So I have acrylic nails on right now. It's not going to focus on my hand. I have acrylic nails on right now, and I didn't like the way that she did them, so I filed them myself and repainted them myself. So I did gel nails on top of the acrylics that she did. And yeah, I did that all with the kit that I got on Amazon. So this is like mostly nail polish stuff, some desk stuff, some guitar stuff, some random stuff. It's just a shelf, honestly. Like, it's just a shelf where I put things. And then over here we have my mic arm, which has my pink headset on it from Razer, and my keyboard's from Razer, my mouse is from Razer, all of it's from Razer. And then these are the 2 cups that I keep down here most of the time. They're sitting on a towel because they both are cups that sweat. The red one doesn't as much as the blue water bottle, but they both sweat. And I don't like having like the wetness on my desk, especially considering like lots of electronics on this desk. So I like to have that towel and everything. Yeah. Anyways, that's that whole thing. And then I think that's pretty much it. So it's kind of surprising when you think about it, because it's a pretty small room, but I do have a lot of stuff in here. But yeah, I definitely want to like do more with like this wall is super empty, and then like the above my bed wall is kind of empty, but I wanted to start like putting up like little prints that I print out from like Pinterest and stuff, so like from nowhere. and stuff, and just like kind of like cover this wall with them now that I'm kind of like actually happy with how things look and everything. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will see you in the next one, and I will definitely do a desk tour of either both of my desks in one video or like one video for each, depending on how long that all takes. Anyways, I hope you guys have a great day, and I will see you in the next one.